Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or iDoFi's Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been using Xianyu Chinese shopping app for a very long time or you are new to the app and you have been using it to source for different products from China, consider to stay tuned to this video because recently I ordered an iPhone on this particular app right here. I will walk you through the process when I contact the seller, how we make payment and the likes, and what exactly we get right here in Nigeria from China without any stress. Let me show you how. Like I said, it's a kind of breakdown experience. So I'm going to assist from my Xianyu right here, then head over back to my WhatsApp right here. So open up my WhatsApp, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the buyer right here. So this is the person that buy this phone right here on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you everything from the beginning. And this is when this particular person contacts me on my uh, WhatsApp right here, right from my YouTube channel. You can see all our chat right here. I want to get blah 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 blah, and you can see all our chat right here. Just take a look at all our chats right here. It's all our chat right here. Okay, and this is when they send this particular iPhone link right here. Send, and this is their shipping address right here. Okay, and then I'm just doing this video to let you know that this is actually possible. You can buy anything secondhand from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So you can see all our chat right here, and just like so. So you can see they send different product link at the end of the day. So we are able to buy from a particular store, and I'll show you exactly what we get. Okay, so you can see it right. See all our charts right here. See all our charts right here. All our charts right here. So at the end of the day, we buy from this particular store right here. You can see my charts with the seller right here. And this is the product video when the phone was in China. Look at it. This is the product video that was sent by the seller, as you can see right here. Okay. So look at it. Boom. And okay. And you can check on everything right here. Okay. So this is the product video when it was in China with the seller on Xianyu. See, it's the full right here. You can see, and eventually we finally make payment right here for this cell phone. So you can see the proof. So you can see the proof right here. Okay, just like what you see right here, and finally the phone is here. I know you'll be surprised at what exactly we are going to get about this particular phone. And the last thing here is that I will definitely take you to the seller sales page so that you know that uh, everything is actually real. So let's go down right here, and you can just be reading all our charts. This is when the product was shipped out from China, and eventually the phone is here. Okay? And now the phone is fully functional, and the phone is here. You can see I have fixed it now. Thank you very much. And this is the phone right here. Let me quickly play the simple video of the phone right here. So you can see everything here is written in English. So lastly, I will go ahead and take you to the seller page on my Xianyu. So I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here. I will open my Xianyu back, and then I will go ahead and simply open up my chat with the seller right here, and scroll. So this is the seller right here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and open our chat just like so. So you can see we eventually buy the phone with 800 yuan. You can see all my chart with the seller right here, just to show you that this is real and you can get any good phone from this particular app at a very cheap price. This is when the seller about to ship the phone out from China. They also sent me another proof video that the phone is working perfectly. Let's quickly watch the video right here. You can see the video right here when it was in China with the seller. Okay, see the phone is on. It's like so. This is when the phone was with the seller in China. So just fast forward the video. See everything worked perfectly right here. So, and then let's go back. These are my charts with the seller. This is when another video sent, and you can see the name of the owner right here, okay, and their contact detail as it is. This is when we make payments to this particular store in Xianyu. So finally, let's go ahead and check on the products of this particular store. So for that, I will go ahead and click on their page, right, with their name right here. This will take us to their page. Then one thing I want you to take note right here is that each time you are trying to buy iPhone or any type of product on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, always try to patronize a seller with L7. There is a reason for this. If this seller here does not is not a verified seller to this particular level, and you have problem of after sales, you might not get a good help from the seller. So these are please, if you are trying to source and ship from Xianyu, never be carried away by the price. Always take a look at this particular verification badge right here on any store you visit, and then of any store you visit, and then make sure they have a sales history. You can see this store here, they sell massively. These are the products they have been sold in the past. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular review on this particular iPhone from Shenyang, China, direct to Nigeria in the comment section down below. If you need something good like this or any other product, as the case may be, getting it direct from Shenyang, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.